Do you know what we are building for? We are Pebsteel, a solution provider for pre-engineered buildings and structural steel since 1994. Founded in Europe, based in Vietnam, and accompanied by Japanese stakeholders. At Pebsteel, we help empower business via state-of-the-art steel structures in compliance with the latest international standards, from production halls to logistics buildings to commercial buildings or any other type of structure imaginable. We guarantee sustainability, from energy-efficient designs to lasting and iconic aesthetics. Over the decades, we have continuously expanded our presence through facilities across Asia, alongside numerous global partners. With a large capacity and inventory, and a strong team of professionals, we proudly offer excellence at all times. More than 6,000 buildings have been built on our core values, which reflect an unchanged commitment to every customer's success. Once a project has been initiated, our relationship with the customer becomes permanent. Once the build is finished, we provide lifetime maintenance and customer support. We are building for the present. We stand by our customers through every step of the journey, from the initial consultation to post-sales assistance, maximizing quality and ensuring every plan becomes reality so your business runs seamlessly. We are building for a thriving future with you and the world. Together, we are building tomorrow today. Pebsteel.